Create a new shared folder in your KVM host system that you want to share to the guest machines. For the purpose of this video, I will create a shared folder named KVM_share in my home directory. Next, set up required permissions for the shared folder. I wanted to edit and modify the contents of this shared folder from my guest virtual machines, so I gave full permissions to the shared folder. Next, set the correct SE/Linux type for the KVM shared folder. Next, run the following command to tell SE/Linux to restore file contexts on everything underneath the shared directory to what we have as being the default. Now it is time to configure shared folder in Virt-manager. Open Virt-manager and make sure the guest system is turned off. Select the guest machine and click Open button on the menu bar to show the virtual machine console and details. Click Show Virtual Hardware Details button on the menu bar. Then click Add Hardware button on the left pane. Click File System tab on the left pane. Enter the shared folder location in source path and enter mount tag under the target path. You can specify the name of target path as you wish. Please note that target path is not a path. The target path is just a name used to identify the host's share. Click Finish and apply to update the changes. Now, power on the guest virtual machine and create a mount point in your guest machine to mount the shared folder of KVM host system. Finally, mount the shared folder in the guest machine using this command. The shared folder KVM_share is mounted on the hostfiles directory in your virtual machine. From now on, you can access the contents of the shared folder from your guest virtual machine. You can also edit and delete the contents of the shared folder on both KVM host and guest systems.
Emotions running.